What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to go over all of the different functions available on the Spyder LED moving headlight. So on the front of the light, you'll see the LED display along with the different buttons we can use to control our light. So we've got the menu button to cycle between the different modes available, the up and down buttons to cycle through the different settings of these modes, and then the enter button to go into these settings and save our changes. And once you press enter on these modes, the light will automatically remember the last mode it was set to next time it powers on. What's also really cool is that there are these lights on the side to tell us that our light is set to the DMX, slave, master, or sound mode. So now let me explain what each mode does on our light. So we've got the DMX channel mode where we can set our light either to the 7 channel or 15 channel mode. And we use these modes to set how much control we have over our light using a DMX controller. There's also the DMX address mode so we can set up the DMX address for the light. Next we have the master slave mode where we can set our light either to master, sound, or slave mode. So we can either set it to master mode where the light will control a string of lights, sound mode where the light will react to any sound picked up by the built-in microphone, or slave mode where it will follow the master light that's connected to it. Next we have the SHND mode where we can set our light to preset shows. To do that, you'll also want to make sure that your light is set to the master mode, and then from there you can go back to the SHND menu and use the up and down buttons to cycle through the different shows. Once you pick a show you want to use, you can press enter. To change the speed of the shows, you're going to cycle up until you see the speed setting. Then you can press enter to adjust the speed of the shows. Next we have an on and off switch for the sound control, so this way the light won't react to sound. And next to that we have the sound control sensitivity where we can adjust the sensitivity of the built-in mic. We have a reverse display mode that turns the display upside down, which is helpful just in case we have the light mounted onto a truss. And then we have the LED mode, which will turn on or turn off the background LED for our display. Next, we have the 1 TIL mode and the 2 TIL mode, where the 1 TIL mode will reverse the motor on one side of the light, and the 2 TIL mode will reverse the motor on the other side of the light. We also have a test mode to test the light. And lastly, we have the default mode to switch our light back to the default settings. Next to the power in socket on the back of the light, we have a power out socket so we can electrically daisy chain lights together. We also have the DMX in and the DMX out ports to connect our light to another light or a DMX controller. So hopefully this helped explain what each mode and function do on your Spyder LED moving headlight. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.